All right, so I pulled up the three most popular Corollas this year. These are 2021 Corollas. We have an LE hybrid, an LE, and then an SE. Now, standard on all 2021 Corollas are Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and satellite radio. You also have Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which is the pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicycle detection, the lane departure alert system with an active steering assist, and the dynamic radar cruise control, which is full range, which means it can come to a complete stop once it's following the vehicle in front of you, along with automatic headlights and automatic high beams. So no matter which Corolla you pick, all of those are going to be standard. All right, so all three of these vehicles that we pulled up are all very similar to each other. One of the big differences, of course, is what's under the hood. When you look at the hybrid Synergy drive engine here with the 1.8 liter modified Atkinson cycle, that is what helps it get the better gas mileage when it's paired with the hybrid Synergy drive system. So this is a dual gas and electric powertrain. When we come over to the Corolla, this is the 1.8 liter engine. Again, 139 horsepower. The car will average over 30 miles per gallon, and it can push upper 30s easily on the highway. But when you look at it, it is again dual timing chain engines on all these. So very, very efficient, very reliable Toyota. When you go to the SE, now this is the new 2.0 liter engine for this generation. The car actually gets 1 mile per gallon better, even if it has more horsepower than the 1.8 liter engine. Again, a dual timing chain engine, and it has Toyota's QDR quality, durability, and reliability built in. All right, so when you look at the styling on these vehicles, the LE and the LE hybrid are going to be very simple. You can always tear a hybrid with the blue logo that is on the front of the vehicle, which of course blue is a color that represents power in Japan, so that's why all hybrids carry the blue Toyota symbol. But when you look at the front, both the LE and the LE hybrid are actually very similar. All that changes, of course, when you get over to the SE. The SE has the sportier front with the waffle grille, the completely different access, the ground effects. You have the mirrors with the turn signals that are built into it. And again, it's a much sportier look from the top to the bottom as far as the SE goes. All right, and then when you look at the back of these cars, again, the LE hybrid and the gas LE are very similar. You can see the cars really have the same lines. But when you get to the SE again, it's a completely different package. When you look at the back, you can see the dual exhaust, you can see the extra waffle accents, you can see where they've added different colors, you can see the rear spoiler. Again, it's a much sportier appearance package. It really makes for a great car. Thanks for visiting us here at Mike Erdman Toyota in Cocoa, Florida. Again, these are the three main versions of the Corolla lineup, the LE hybrid, the LE gas, and the SE. I'd like to invite you to come down and take a look at them, and you certainly can ask me. I'm happy to go through any of the differences for you, and we can arrange a test drive.